guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be decluttering and decorating this shelf we have in our kitchen. So let's just jump right into this video. So this is a shelf that we have in our kitchen. Pretty much everything on it is just junk that we don't need. So I'm going to start off by decluttering it and taking everything off of the shelf. And once everything's off the shelf, I'm just taking my vacuum cleaner attachment and just vacuuming the shelf.
Every turn felt like it was.
And I also just took a duster and dusted down the whole shelf.
Pushing to my own song, but you came.
And then I'm going to be scrubbing down the shelf. So I just have this scrubber and I have it dipped in soap and water, and I'm just going to be scrubbing down all the shelves.
On me was too much, too tough to heal. I needed time. I needed to be
And then I just sprayed it with my Lysol kitchen spray.
You came, you made me see the weight I put on me was too much, too tough to heal. I needed time, I needed to be still.
So this is all the stuff that we had on the shelf. So I'm just going to go through it and see what stuff I want to keep and see what stuff I want to get rid of. So most of the stuff we just threw out, but a few things I just moved to different spots that were better.
Deep inside I felt so gone, broken the hell to every wrong. I'm letting your light shine, I'm letting your love work through me. In every moment, breathing this moment, you came, you.
The shelf was all clean. I'm going to start decorating it. So I went to HomeSense and I looked around and found some stuff that I like to decorate it. So this is the first thing. It's like this little owl thing. It's supposed to be a book stopper, but I'm just going to use it anyways. I thought it was so cute and I like the color of it. I think it brings some color to the kitchen. And then we have this little letter V. I just like the shape of it and the black I thought popped. So I just used that. And then I got this little bowl so you can actually put stuff in it. And I just like the pattern on it and the white. I think it looks so nice. I'm just going to start placing these on the shelf, just seeing where I like them the best.
The weight I put on me was too much, too tough to heal.
Alright, this is the final product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's kind of a shorter video, but it's just me cleaning my shelf. It didn't take me too long. I really like how it turned out. I love all the decorations I got, and I like how nice it looks now in the kitchen because there's not a bunch of clutter all on that shelf. So thank you so much for watching. Please leave a thumbs up down below and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of my new videos coming up. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.